Hi everyone, here we've got Realme C3 and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find security. Let's tap on it. Here in the password security section we've got a SIM card lock, so simply enter it, and as you can see here we've got change SIM pin option, so just tap on it. Here we have to enter our current pin for this SIM card, so let me enter it and tap on OK in the right upper corner. Right now we can enter new pin, so just enter the pin you'd like to use. So I will pick this one, just tap on OK, and here we have to retype it. So let's do it, and again confirm with OK. And as you can see, we just successfully changed the SIM pin, so from now on, after restarting our device, you will have to use the pin you just set. So actually that's all. This is how to change SIM pin in your Realme C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.